Yo, guy, what up? Anyway, we're playing the game Accunated. We're trying to figure out who we're trying to find. Definitely not. I'll tell you who I'm doing now. Dan TDM. Okay, guys, let's go. Yes. No. No. Yes. Yes. No. No. Oh, wait. He has a wife, so no. 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 Sometimes. No. No. No, not really. Hmm. No. Sometimes. Yeah. Yeah. Dude. He guessed. This guy's amazing. Okay. Hmm. Let's go back. Play again. We're gonna do Slender Man. No, he don't know because he might not be a girl. Definitely not. Does he, guys, or does he not? And he does, doesn't he? No. Hmm. No, I don't think so. Oh, yeah. Yes, I would say so. No. Mm-hmm. Can't remember. Haha, Slenderman, not that one. No. Haha. How about we do... How about we do... Elsa? No, not Elsa. How about we do Akinator? No. 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 Oops, that was a yes. No. 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 That one I just didn't know. I think. No, because it was you, idiot. Charlie, Charlie. Should we do Charlie, Charlie next, guys? We're gonna do it anyway. Let's do Charlie, Charlie next. No. No. Yes. No. 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 Yes. Oh, hey, kitty cat. Come on, baby. Is your character a murderer? Yes. Mm-hmm. Mm, no, he uses pencils. Has your character ever been in a movie? No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Hmm. Yes. No. Don't know. No. Does she wear shoes or not? Let's just go with yes. Is your character a nun? No. Yes. No. 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 How dare you call her ugly? Meanie? No. Yes. Does your character use guns? Don't give me the death stare, you evil cat. Sorry, my cat's trying to give me the death stare. No. No, thank you. Is your character a girl? Yes. Nope. Nope. Yes. Yes. Did what? I'm just gonna do my mum and sexy can't go. No. No. Yes. Does your character? No. Yes. Yes. No. Probably. Yes. No. Yes. Hmm. Don't know. No. 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 Does the name of your character? Nope. Well, I didn't say mother. I said mum. So no. No. Oh, I forgot. Sorry, guys. Yes, I only have a silver badge. Yes, I am stupid. Thank you for telling me. 8 comments can go. My disgusting cat needs to come here now. 1 second. Well, you're gonna come with me to see my cat. Well, you can't see it technically. But this lazy fat thing needs to go have a booty hole here. And no. And yes, I am homeschooled. I didn't mean to say no. Come on, fat cat. Come in with me. Good girl. I love you, bubbies. And yes, my cat's name is Bubbles. Okay. Let me know what your cat's name is, even if you've got one. If you don't, let me know what your dog's name is. But if you've got any animal, tell me in the comments. I'd love to know about all your animals, guys. Let's get into playing another one. Let's see if they can guess my cat. Oh, should they guess me? Okay. Yes, I am. Yes. No. No. Yes, I do. No. Yes, I do know me. Is your character's first name the same as you? Yes, because it is mine. No. Yes, because it is me. How dare they not say my YouTube channel? But yeah, they did guess me. I got another standard. Now I got 25,000 coins. I will be ending the video now. Say bye-bye, kitty. Say bye. Okay, she purrs instead of saying goodbye. Okay, I'll say bye for you. My kitty cat says bye-bye. And she always says, love you. She'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye, guys. Love you. See ya.